Good morning, party people. Today is Wednesday and I'm headed to the airport. Going to California, eating a bagel, almost there. But I thought I would say hello. I'm going to visit one of my law schools this weekend. That's really all. Check in with you later. Wow, such efficiency. Go, easy pass. Oh, look at the beautiful sunrise. And we got New York over there. Crossed this bridge many a time.
There's the Freedom Tower.
Yeah. This windshield's really dirty, even though I just got the car cleaned. I have made it through security and now I'm at my gate. My first flight is from New York to DC, and then I have about a 45-minute layover, and then I fly to LA. So, good thing. I'm really hot. I'm gonna have my breakfast now. I bought an orange, a coffee with soy milk, and a water, and had a bagel on the way, as you guys saw. Okay, boarding the flight to DC now. Let's go. Seated. Your purest reaction, like I want you to see this reaction in its full form. I just got to the hotel. They upgraded me to the presidential suite. I'm on the top floor. It's fucking huge. Guys, there's a dining room table. It's just me. I feel like there's gonna like be someone else. Like there's gonna be someone in here. But like, let me give you a door. You walk in. Look, it's me. Look how wide the door is too. Like it's freaking huge. And there's this table and me. And a closet to hang stuff. A mini fridge and like all of this. Like a freaking microwave. What the heck? Coffee? I need a coffee. What the heck? Oh my god, look. Look, just panning over. I have couches. What the heck? Is there anything? This is locked, so we can't go in there. What the heck? A stereo thing? Oh my god. Oh my god, the view. Oh my god. Okay. I read on the internet that some of the rooms you can see Disneyland, but I don't see it. But this is still pretty freaking amazing. Holy heck. This hotel is really close to Disneyland. This is nicer than my living room. I have a TV and couches, and then you come in here and there's a lounge. There's so many places for me to sit. And this big bed. Ah! Guys, the bathtub. Look at the bathtub. I'm gonna take a bubble bath at some point. And look out there. There's more California. Oh, there's Disneyland over there. Let me zoom in. You can see like what used to be Tower of Terror, I think. But now it's the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. That's LA off in the distance. Oh my god. What the freaking heck? So there's a tub, there's a shower, there's more places for me to hang up. There's a robe. There's all of these drawers and things. I wonder if they have a steamer or an iron, because I have to hang up my clothes and see. Here I am. Here's my water closet. I'm dead. I'm dead. D-E-D. Dead. you guys think it's weird if I eat nuts in the bathtub? I'm drying a bath right now. I'm really hungry because I'm jet lagged and it's like 8 p.m. my time and I haven't had like a full meal all day. I'm very hungry. I've had like many nuts, many potato chips. I need like a nutritious meal. I was gonna do something. Oh, I need the Wi-Fi info. Gonna put on some Netflix on my laptop, lay in this bath. I gotta shave my legs, do a little pamper sesh. I am beyond blessed right now, guys. The lighting's kind of not the best. It's like very retro, lots of brass, lots of like rust tones, which isn't my style, but you know, I cannot complain. This is beyond. But I'm gonna eat my nuts in the bath. I have taken my bath, blow dried my hair, ran a straightener through it, done my makeup, and gotten dressed. And now I'm meeting up with my friend Alyssa, who I know from college. She's in my sorority, but she's from this area of California, and she moved back home after we both graduated. So I get to go see her, and we're going out to dinner tonight to a vegan restaurant. She's a vegetarian, so very excited. And yeah, she's gonna go pick me up in front of the hotel. So I'm gonna head down now. I identify with this rooster. Look at him. Thank you. We're at dinner. It's called Vegan Nirvana, and I just had the hardest time picking out something to eat because I was just like, all of it is good and my brain is not on. I'm here with Alyssa. Hi. Alyssa's made an appearance like way back in the day, many moons ago, but I think I'm gonna eat my hand. I haven't had a real meal all day. This is so weird because that's not chicken, but it is. I love this song. We got donuts! I bought 3 because there was a card minimum and they're vegan. I'm so excited to eat these things. I'm just vlogging now because I can't later when I'm doing law school stuff.
Well, you understand that this is as much as I'm gonna say on these videos.
Which one should I do? Oh no, it got its mushiness all over the... What the fuck? It's so good! Mmm, lemon. Delicious.